Memu is a popular Android emulator designed to provide a seamless experience for running Android applications on Windows PCs. It is widely favored for its robust performance, versatility, and user-friendly interface. One of Memu's standout features is its ability to run multiple instances of Android simultaneously, which is particularly beneficial for gamers who want to play multiple games or use multiple accounts at the same time. Additionally, Memu supports a wide range of Android versions, offering compatibility with both old and new apps. Its performance is optimized for both Intel and AMD processors, ensuring smooth gameplay and efficient operation. Apart from gaming, Memu is also used for various development and testing purposes. It offers advanced features such as keyboard mapping, where users can customize their controls for a better gaming experience, and GPS simulation, which can be useful for location-based applications. Developers can benefit from Memu's high performance and reliability to test their apps in a controlled environment. Moreover, Memu's regular updates and active community support ensure that users have access to the latest features and improvements. Overall, Memu stands out as a versatile and powerful Android emulator that caters to a wide range of user needs.